And they're out with a horse shot. Oh man, looks like Andy's smoking that horse shot. Michael Morales takes it down to the
Unofficially, your top 10 for round number 1. Tebow, TQ, Cavallari,
Welcome to the RC Pro Series. Run by owner Carlton Epps, the RC Pro Series is the first national organization to create a series of racing events around the United States where each race earns participants points towards a national title. For the 2005 season, we attended all 4 events in the Western Division. Aside from having a lot of fun racing with the best, we learned tricks, improved our racing skills, and made many new friends. Attending these events are well-known publishers, factory racers, and team drivers, which help keep the excitement and competition levels high. If you really want to learn how to race, RC Pro Series events are for you. RC Pro Series events consists of 2 days of racing. Day 1 is qualifying for all classes. Seating for the main events, which are run on Day 2, is calculated by combining the driver's best 2 qualifier runs out of 4. There's just one trick. Current Pro Series rules require all qualifier runs to use a gate start. This means that in order to have a shot at top qualifier, you've got to take the whole shot. Just what is the hole shot? The hole shot is a traditional term used to honor the first racer to leave the starting line. However, in the Pro Series, the hole shot is a free-for-all madman rush to see who can be the first driver to go from point A to point B.
Smoking that hole shot.
Peak of the first jump. First one to that gets the hole shot. Let's keep it clean, have a lot of good racing. I know y'all are capable of doing it because yesterday was 95% clean. There's only one or two instances where, where a couple people were a little out of control on a couple of things.
One of the most unique features of the RC Pro Series are these mandatory gated starts. To the spectator, gate starts rock. However, to the racer, it can literally be a hole shot hell. Thanks to sponsor support, the RC Pro Series has become extremely competitive. One such sponsor of the Pro Series is Advantage Racing Products. Advantage Racing Products has made a huge appearance in the RC industry this past year. Thanks to the success of pro racer Michael Sharwin, along with other team drivers, Advantage Racing has proven its product line to be extremely competitive and shows no signs of slowing down. We had the opportunity of meeting the owners, Tony Newland and Stephen Halverson.
I'm Tony Newland. Stephen Halverson. and this is Advantage Racing Products.
We currently have 8-scale tires, 4 different tread designs, all that come in a soft and a hard compound.
Racing tires, the Advantage tires are all natural rubber, fit our wheels specifically. Foams fit our wheels specifically. Designed around that. The compound's molded into the sidewall, soft or hard, so you're not rambling through everything, trying to find matching sets. Pin placement, you don't have to cut the tires up, you know, mount them, cut them, glue them, cut them some more. You don't have to do all that. 100% rubber, glues up better, wears longer, better traction, more cost, but it's more cost for us, same retail, but it's superior by far.
Currently manufacture 8-scale wheels, multi-spoke wheel, and both a dyeable white and a yellow wheel. Our wheels are $15 retail for a set of 4.
The molded wheels are made right here in Utah. We commission the mold, pick the materials. We use a DuPont virgin nylon, not recycled, no ABS, cheap mixes, just the good stuff. Fully dyeable, lightest wheel out there, 56 grams. We also offer a warranty on the wheels. You break a wheel, which hasn't been done yet with, well man, I don't know, like 17,000 sets out there. You break a wheel, send it in, we'll send you a wheel. This year we started a full-on race team, try to get stuff out there, get some wins, get some racing, get some testing. We talked with Mikey Sharwin. He wanted to run our stuff. We hooked up with him. He's running Advantage everything we got. Helps us with testing, prototypes, new stuff, ideas. He's real big. These are going to be real big for Advantage. Been running our tires for just a couple months now. He ran them for the first time at Hemet for a Pro Series race. He got tires dropped off at his house about 4 or 5 days before the race, no testing, threw them on in qualifying and practice, and set fastest lap by over a second. Also, he went to a Pro Series race in Clarkston, TQ'd there by over 10 seconds over a past world champ. Totally in the driver's seat, got used to the tires, had a couple weeks of testing. He placed 6th at Nationals. You know, 200, 250 guys at that race, top guys trying to qualify for the Worlds next year in 06. A lot of top guys that have had a chance to win the Worlds aren't even qualified for 2006, so it was a really tough race this year. Some of our other pro drivers is Paul Coleman. You might know him from Offner Racing, Paul Coleman Racing, PCR, Hyper 7. It's testing the new Hyper 8 Stingray. Developing that car, he uses Advantage tires exclusively. We're glad to have Paul on the team. We got guys all over the place, Midwest, East Coast, Brazil, Europe, Canada. We got people everywhere helping us, give us feedback, different situations, different tracks, different climates, different terrains.
We make only top quality racing products, and we don't offer a product that we won't run. Everything that we offer is something that us or someone on our team will run and exclusively, and that's why we're in this business.
The RC Pro Series currently consists of the following classes: Intermediate and Expert 110 scale Stadium Truck, Standard Monster Truck, Unlimited Monster Truck, and Intermediate and Expert 1/8 scale Buggy. The Unlimited Monster Trucks, or Truggies, are the most recent addition to the RC Pro Series classes. Truggy is a term used to describe the conversion of a 1/8 scale buggy into a monster truck. What has been more of a mad scientist operation in the past has now become a new standard in RC. Recently, Team Jammin released their new X1 CRT chassis. Developed by Jammin J. Halsey and driven by drivers Dean Sexton and Steve Dunn, the X1 CRT Truggy has shown to be a monster on the track, and we were fortunate enough to get a hold of one for this DVD. Like most kits, the X1 CRT came neatly packaged and ready to build. Having built multiple 8-scale buggies in the past, the instructions were more of reminders to what we're typically used to seeing in racing kits. Where this kit stands out is in its durability. The engineering of the front C-hubs are bulletproof, and there are no C-clips anywhere to be found. Double-bolted front and rear chassis braces, CNC alloy B-blocks, Craddock-like fiberglass brake pads, big bore front and rear shocks, carbon fiber upper plates, and the list goes on. Having only driven 8-scale buggies in the past, we were totally surprised by how easy to drive this Truggy is. It jumps like a dream and handles bumps as if they didn't exist. And the included Proline Crime Fighters helped this Truggy rip down the straights and out of the turns. It's no wonder the pros are so fast with this kit.
Let's get the hell out of here. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's get the hell out of here.
Last kiss for you. One more.
let him go, guys.
All drivers, please go immediately to the driver.
Behind you. No, the one right there. What's that? Number 8?